You've got your idea ready, your message typed, and you wish the AI could instantly recognize what you're trying to do. What if your AI assistant could actually catch your requests and suggest the right path? Meet the game-changing type identification feature that just launched in PineGen AI. PineGen AI now looks beyond keywords. It understands what you intend to do, whether you're creating a script, asking a question, or explaining a snippet. This new layer of intelligence makes your workflow smoother and more intuitive than ever. Meet the 5 types: code for generation, fix for debugging and optimization, explain for code breakdown, ask for technical questions, and chat for conversations. Here's the intelligence. You type your message, and PineGen AI analyzes what you're actually asking. If it detects a mismatch between your selected type and your actual intent, it sends you a smart notification. Watch this. I select chat, but type create a MACD strategy. PineGen AI detects this looks like a generate request. It suggests switching to code type. Should I switch? Yes. I click the switch button, instantly switch to code type, and boom. Optimize for exactly what I asked. No wasted processing, no wrong outputs. Another example, I paste code and ask, "What's wrong with this?" in the chat option. PineGen AI detects this actually needs explain mode. Suggestion pops up, one click, switch to the right type. No force changes, no confusion. Just intelligent suggestions helping you stay in the right lane. It's like having a co-pilot watching your workflow. If you're ready for an AI that finally understands your workflow, hit the subscribe button and join the community, because this smart detection feature is about to save you hours of frustration. No more wrong options, no more wasted processing, no more guessing games. Just intelligent guidance keeping you on the perfect path. This is type identification, the feature that catches your request before wasting your time. Try it now. Link in description. Comment what you'll build first, and experience how this transforms your entire PineScript workflow. Happy trading!